So today's topic is how to sort the list by the lexicographic values and then by the length. We have two methods, that is first using the sort twice and then using the lambda. Here in the sort twice, first we are going to initialize our list. After that we are going to use the sort twice. First is without the key and second is with the key. In the key we have used key is equals to the length. What is the key? Now you might be wondering, right? The key is nothing but a function which serves a key as a sort of some comparison value for it. So that means it's going to compare the key as a length, and after that it's going to get sorted by the length of the list. After that we have the output as shown here, the sorting list, which is the 2 and then 3 and then the 4.